So now I'm coming to check the CAN system with this vehicle. So what I'll do now is, because the CAN network is around from 0 to 5 volts, so I'll change my time base. I'll change my voltage first. So go to channel and change the voltage on this one. So let me go to 5 millivolts. Then let me also do the change here. This one also go to 5 millivolts. So I'm at 500 millivolts. Then what I'll do is the time base, let me plug in the pin into CAN high. So plug it into CAN high. Let me calm down a bit. Let me change my voltage again to 1 volt. Then let me change this voltage also to 1 volt. So this one is also just that this one the response is slow and this one has a fast response. So now what I'll do is I'll change the time base. I'll increase my time base and I'll try and go to live data so that the scan tool can communicate with the vehicle, so that I'll have a lot of communication. So there will be communication because the instrumental panel will be communicating with the control board. So there will be a bit communication on it. Let me go to live data again and you see. So with this one, what I'll do is, because I've changed the time, let me set this time also to 100 microseconds. Sorry, 500. So the same, and you can see the way the waveform is moving. So now what I'll do is let me go to channel and bring it down a bit. Then change it to 500. So now I've changed it to 500 and I'll do the same thing here. I'll set this channel, then I'll change it to 500 and I'll bring the scope down. Then I'll change the time base to increase the information that I'm getting. So let me change the time base. So changing the time base, now you can see the information that I'm getting. So now the reason why this one is not stable is because of the trigger. So let me push the trigger up. So now it is stable. So let me go to menu and turn off the measurement. So that you can get the reading. So with this one also, let me change the time base. So you can see this one, the time base is around 50. So with this one also, I'll change the time base to 50 and go to here. Then change the time base to 50. So you can see the time base at the top here. So now you can see both of them are having the same signal, but this one look a bit faster than this. For this one, you can also change the rate, the frequency. Sorry, I said the frequency, the refresh rate. So when you go to time, then if you change it to high refresh rate, you can see the way the CAN bars is looking different from the handtech. When you change it, now you can see the way it's looking. Although it's not all that perfect like the handtech, and this is the volts you'll be getting. So let me change it to CAN low. See the way it goes off quickly. and can low, I'm not getting a stable voltage because of the trigger. So let me bring the trigger down for the can low to be stable, and also let me bring the trigger down here for the can low to be stable also. So with this one, bring the trigger down so that both of them, the can high and the can low, will be stable. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.